The following video about a Toyota 4Runner and a Chevy Colorado driving in the mud is very serious and important. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. Today, we're not installing anything, we're not modifying anything. We're just going to get a 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison and a 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road, really dirty, in the mud and the rocks on the WABDR.
This is plan B. So originally we were in the mountains and
Over there.
Yeah, and we hit a little bit of snow and it turned into a lot of bit of snow and it was compacted ice and everything was going great until we got stuck behind a Jeep who was stuck, and then we stopped, and then we all started
to slide backwards.
sliding backwards. So we decided to turn around, and we're gonna do some desert running and mud playing instead.
Nice, because in central Washington, you can be in the mountains or you can be in the desert. It's about an hour apart.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Woohoo! Doop doodly doo, boy, howdy son of a gun. Give it the beans.
They're fine bigger ones than that.
Yeah, we can do much better.
Oh, here we go.
I can't see. Oh no!
It's so much fun. It's so much fun having a truck playing in the mud. You should try it. You really should. If you haven't, try it. Just trust me.
Another real question.
Oh no! We gotta look at it. Let's look at it. I just want to tell you good luck. We're all counting on
I
you.
think we're gonna do it. I'm feeling good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Woo! That was awesome! I'm next! Oh, that was nothing! That was nothing!
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
So gentlemen, we've done this part of the Washington Backcountry Discovery Route, which goes all the way from Oregon to Canada a few times, but I think in the year 2022, we need to do the whole gosh darn thing. Who's with me?
You have my bison.
The Eagles!
Low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die, we'll never be a light. Couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your...
All this canyon was carved by that little river over there.
Science.
Science. You like science, Michael?
Science of erosion. It's my favorite.
Zones could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars and Venus, stand in front of every one of them. Watch they slinging and be a shield.
Your shield.
Yeah.
So actually in our 4Runner versus Colorado video, it wasn't really versus, it was just a comparison video. We were gonna swap vehicles. I was gonna think, what do you think of driving the Toyota?
I like it. I like it. Yeah, we drove it a fair bit on the Bethel Ridge trip. Yeah, we just didn't include that part. And yeah, it's, the road manners are pretty similar. This guy feels a little bit more floaty, but it's not necessarily.
The steering wheel's pretty nice.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I thought better it got caught.
Hey, quiet back there.
It's a little more floaty, but it's not a bad thing. Like, not in a bad way. It's still very controllable.
Yep.
And I think it might just because this guy's a little heavier overall that it feels that way.
Yeah.
But no, I like it. I like it quite a bit.
Oof! No, I agree. When I drove your vehicle, we got guns, we got bang bangs, we got pew pews. We'll just keep on trucking. No, yeah, no. When I drove yours, you know, your suspension is definitely superior to the TRD off-road one. I wonder if how the Fox shocks compare.
That would be an interesting comparison.
That would be interesting.
All right, Michael. Which one do you like more?
Let's see if we stay
Do
friends.
I have to choose?
It's a real Sophie's choice, I know, but yes, you do have to choose. One must die.
What is he gonna say?
It kind of is Sophie's choice, isn't it?
We're waiting.
I want to know.
What's that? You're breaking up. I can't hear you. Going through a tunnel. I said they're both pretty rad compared to a Ford Focus.
All right, dudes, we made it to Ellensburg. Pavement starts right over there, so we're going to air up. Final thoughts?
Final thoughts. It was super fun. We hit 2 trails, 1.5 trails.
Yeah.
And it worked really well. I mean, no problems either rig. It was successful.
Both super capable. Awesome. Fun to drive both of them. First time driving the Colorado. That was pretty sweet. Visibility was a little bit better in the 4Runner.
Yep.
But both awesome, freaking capable vehicles. So super cool. A lot of fun.
Sign us out, Chris.
Hey, guys.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications because
Yep.
you want to know every time we make one of them.
Of course you do.
You smash it.
Don't trust the algorithm.
God bless. And until next time, don't forget to do it yourself.
Nice job.